on, guys? Got a 2023-24 Honda Civic here. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the key fob battery. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the remote. Now if we look right here on the right, there's a button. We're going to push that with our thumb, then we can pull the emergency key out. And if you're wondering what this key opens, it opens the driver's door. So we're going to turn it over with the buttons facing down. And right here on the right, this slot right here is where the emergency key goes in, okay? And then a little bit to the left of it, right here, there's a baby slot, okay? Just big enough for this flathead screwdriver to kind of go in. It's super shallow, but this spot right here is what we're gonna use to crack open the remote. So we're gonna stick this in the slot, like this, okay? And then we're gonna give the screwdriver a twist, okay? We're gonna twist it clockwise. All right, so when you twist it, it cracks the remote open. All right, then you can go and take it apart. All right, and that slot is basically this little piece. It's right here, okay? You can kind of see it with the two pieces. It's this little baby little slot right here. All right, so we're gonna hold the remote like this. Remember, all these buttons will get loose as soon as you start taking this thing apart. So we're gonna wanna hold on to everything. And we're gonna use our flathead screwdriver just to pry the battery out. And I'll get a new battery and I'll show you what size the battery is. So here's our new battery, and it's going to be a CR2032 battery with the positive sign facing up towards us where we can still read it. Stick it back in the holder here, click it down in here. If you need one of these batteries, check the description box. I'll have the size and a link takes you to Amazon where you can pick the new battery if you need one. Just get the two halves, place them together. All I gotta do is just squish it back together until it clicks. Get the emergency key, slide it in, and if it locks, you're all done. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you drop me a like, leave me a comment. Hope to see you again in another video.